When you go lick them lips, you know it gets me in a twist. Figure out what the safest place is. Fuck it, roll with the outdoor bliss. Simple things make a man lose their shit. When you go lick them lips, when you go lick them lips, when you go thrust them hips, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Making a man, working it hard, love it. You know what I'm talking about. I party and I party till it starts at 8 in the morning. Never planned, but we here and the Molly is happening and no one complaining. Wasn't expecting a thing from you. My radar wasn't even blinking. Then I let down my cool and my view was you. I'm extra cheese, but it's true. Run away, let's ride. Run away, let's ride. I'm never smitten, usually better. Now, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Making a man, working it hard, love it.
刚 case 这样，每根螺丝都不一样。这是上面2根的，右边到这样，就刚好也是这样5根。这是我第一次看到，这个化油器是藏在 case 里面的，需要再研究一下，我才有办法来拆这些东西呀。一个就是离合线了，这一条呢，这条是油门的，这个是化油器，所以是双油门，单油门线，双有一个机油，这是机油预混吧，这可能要再看看，因为我有点搞不懂。这个一路冲下来，这个铁道里面，这个是什么？这是油门，这个是 Q 钮，主风门线，大致上是这样。然后还有之前拆坏一个油杯子，那个油杯因为漏油，加了汽油就漏到爆炸。这颗应该是2次进气，要不然2次回收废弃的管子，因为我也搞不太懂，那要再研究一下。这根啊。这2颗，这个是油杯，这个是2次进气。这个很想拆掉它，有点麻烦。这个是什么？这是油杯的管子。发现了一些问题啊！之前在用油杯的时候，发现。油杯的这些管子，这根供油管跟这根负压管这边都硬化了，然后买了一个新的油杯， 滤芯跟油杯这样子。然后现在就是要把超油器拆掉，把那些管线都换新。
When you go lick them lips, you know it gets me in a twist. Figure out what the safest place is. Fuck it, roll with the outdoor bliss. Simple things make a man lose their shit. When you go lick them lips, when you go lick them lips, when you go thrust them hips, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Making a man, working it hard, love it. You know what I'm talking about. I party and I party till it starts at 8 in the morning. Never planned, but we here and the Molly is happening and no one complaining. Wasn't expecting a thing from you. My radar wasn't even blinking. Then I let down my cool and my view was you. I'm extra cheese, but it's true. Run away, let's ride. Run away, let's ride. I'm never smitten, usually bitter. Now, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Making a man, working it hard, love it. You know what I'm talking about. Her love is mine, but still I feel as if it isn't real. Sometimes the vibe is intercepted with a different feel. Her lips are painted with the finest brush, illustrated with the Midas touch, created from the highest love. A perfect picture that resonates in observing listener. Her lips are poisonous, but I will still enjoy this kiss. The windows to her soul are tinted when she lies in silence, trying to find the type of vibe that we could touch the sky with.
重接的管子，靠，有够黑。重接的管子，供油管、负压管，然后跟汽油管，然后接了一个空气滤芯到油杯。
When you go lick them lips, you know it gets me in a twist. Figure out what the safest place is. Fuck it, roll with the outdoor bliss. Simple things make a man lose their shit. When you go lick them lips, when you go lick them lips, when you go thrust them hips, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Making a man, working it hard, love it. You know what I'm talking about. I party and I party till it starts at 8 in the morning. Never planned, but we here and the Molly is happening and no one complaining. Wasn't expecting a thing from you. My radar wasn't even blinking. Then I let down my cool and my view was you. I'm extra cheese, but it's true. Run away, let's ride. Run away, let's ride. I'm never smitten, usually bitter. Now, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Making a man, working it hard, love it. mine, but still I feel as if it isn't real. Sometimes the vibe is intercepted with a different feel. Her lips are painted with the finest brush, illustrated with the Midas touch, created from the highest love. A perfect picture that resonates in observing listener. Her lips are poisonous, but I will still enjoy this kiss. The windows to her soul are tinted when she lies in silence, trying to find the type of vibe that we could touch the sky with. Rose petals on the duvet, covered dreadlocks. Will it do to help you do recovering up? Feel your energy is deeper than anything really. You know what I'm talking about. Yes.